So here we are going to introduce model with this solution. Okay. So in this case, we were taking deformed geometry as a starting point. In this case, we are going to take the initial whatever geometry it is there. So okay, now so this was model without pre-stress. This is model with pre-stress. Okay, now we are going to double click on model here. So all the same connection that is non that is frictionless, it is there. All the boundary conditions are same. Here we are going to solve. So total deformation also you can see that is same as earlier. And now in model analysis you can see it is showing pre-stress and input is from static structure. Okay, analysis setting maximum modes we are going to take 6. And here in pre-stress setting we are going to check static structural pre-stress defined. Why we are going to change it to load step, and that is last. And here contact status, so here we are going to force bonded. Okay, then so in this model analysis we are going to treat the original frictionless contact as permanently bonded. And here we are going to solve. So it has been solved. Also we are going to analysis setting, and we want to save this here we are going to request an mapdl database file for to be saved, so that we will use for later for post processing purpose. So in analysis, go to analysis data management, and here save mapdl dp to yes. Okay, so here mod solution, so you can see frequency. So this is with the this is like without pre-stress, and this is with pre-stress. So here you can see the changes, 467, here 457. Okay. Now what we will do here, we are going to insert a command. First you select all these, create mode save results, evaluate all results. So now it has been solved. So we are going to see total deformation for frequency 2. So that's in x direction, that's in y direction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.